Welcome to Becca's Easy Eats. I am your simple home cook in training. Today, we are making tagliatelle bolognese.
Hello, welcome to my kitchen.
Screenshot this recipe, or you can copy from the description section below. Prepare the aromatics by finely chopping onion. Grating carrot. Finely chopping celery. Finely chop the bacon.
Remember to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notification.
Heat the olive oil over medium heat. Cook onion, carrots, and celery until vegetables are soft. Add the bacon and the ground pork. Cook until the meat is brown. Dip in minced garlic and dried oregano. Add the tomato paste and cook to reduce tartness. Stir in the chopped tomatoes. Pour in the red wine. Add the Worcester sauce. Simmer to reduce. At this point, you can adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper. Stir in milk for smooth finish. Cook the tagliatelle about 1 minute less than indicated on the package instruction. Toss the cooked pasta in the bolognese sauce until well coated. Serve hot topped with freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Garnish with parsley.
very much for watching. Happy cooking!